All right, Mopar fans, Gauze Garage coming to you from the AACA gathering here at Ideal Classic Cars in South Venice. You are looking at a curious yellow 71 Hemicuda convertible console 4-speed, elastomeric bumpers, remarkably well done car, very correct with all date-coded Hemi parts. Even though this is a 383 car originally, the owner says that the car was done with all 71 date-coded parts by a very famous restorer out of Michigan. Rally dash car, console mounted 4-speed, matching floor mats. You see the front grills, the gills on the front fender, and the Hemi billboards makes the car complete. Very nicely done. And even though this car is a recreation, it's nice to know that it's done with all 71 period correct parts. And look at that famous 71 Shark's Tooth grill, Michigan plate, and that color is very vibrant. This is the type of restoration that anyone would love to be able to obtain. And the famous shaker hood. So there you go, Mopar fans. Hemicuda convertible 4-speed fans. This is Gauze Garage, South Venice, Florida. AACA Cars and Coffee. Thank you very much.